Hey guys, I'm going to show you the superzorb pads. So first of all, they're 50% cotton, 50% polyester. Have very little fuzz on them. The towel is really nice. It's thin, but it's full, the pile. And then this part right here, this gets the edges. So like when you have this on the Orbot Vibe as an example, and it's like moving around in a circle, and you get to the edges, this helps you clean the edges too. But anyway, most people haven't seen what's inside of here, so I'm going to open it up so we can look inside. Let's try this area right here. I know, only way to find out is to destroy it. So, when you flatten that out, that's what it looks like basically. So this is what's wrapped around here, like that.
Come check us out at magicwandcompany.com.